What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today we doing some sous vide ribs. We gonna fry them up after we sous vide them, and they gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and get our rub on. Now today, I'm using Sweet Preacher. It's a good little rub that I get out of Wisconsin, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I enjoy it. It goes good on any pork product. But anyway, let's go ahead and get it into our sous vide bag and get it back down. Once we get it back down, we're going to get into our machine that's set at 180 degrees for 24 hours. After those 24 hours are up, we're going to let it rest on the counter for an hour, then get into the refrigerator for an hour. And this is what we got, y'all. This is what we got. You want to cool it down because you want your ribs to be ready to fry up. So next, we need to go ahead and wash this rib up, get all that excess grease off, and then cut out our ribs. And this is what it should look like, y'all. Oh yeah, you can eat it like this, but no, we gonna get it into this seasoned flour, y'all. Now I season my flour with just salt and pepper. And you want to get a decent coating on there, y'all. Just a decent coating. Once we get those ribs coated well in that flour, it's time to get into that hot grease, y'all. It's time to fry them up. Now our grease is at 350. And all we doing is browning that flour, y'all. And then we gonna get them right out. Now take a look at those ribs. Don't they look tasty? But anyway, let me give me a bite. I know you see that great coating on there, so let's dig in. And yeah, these ribs was good, y'all. Good and tender. So tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.